Hello friends, today I want to share with you from the book of Be All You Can Be, written by John C. Maxwell. Let me read. Success is not an accident, it's not luck or fate, it is predetermined. John C. Maxwell, he said, if we want to be successful, always you need to have predetermination. Unsuccessful people think success is by accident or luck or fate. They always depend on luck. They never decide or plan ahead. Because of that reason, they cannot succeed in their life. Today, we need to have determination or decision that next, what will be the step we need to take. And we have to know ahead of what we are going to be. And here, someone asked to Thomas Edison how he had been so successful in his inventions. Thomas Edison says, I start where other men leave off. Someone asked to Thomas Edison how he had been so successful in his invention. Then Thomas Edison, he replied, I start where other men leave off. That means Thomas Edison he began to start when people stop in their work. When they are so tired, when they think it is too tough, I cannot succeed these things, then he began to start from there and he succeeds. In our life, friends, if we do continuously, if we don't give up, always there's an achievement. Because of too tough and hard, if we give up, there is no achievement. The main thing which we have to learn from this, we should not give up and we should be continuous. Hillary Keller was asked one time, what would be worse than being born blind? She quickly replied, to have sight and no vision. Someone asked to Hillary Keller, what would be worse than being born blind? She replied, to have sight and no vision. We can see, but still we don't have vision. That is the worse than blind. We have to have vision and we have to put into action and we have to decide how can we succeed and what step we have to do, and we have to try and we have to put into action what we have vision. Friends, today if we have sight but still we don't have vision, that means we are worse than blind men. That's why we have to have vision. That is very important in our life. Too many people concentrate on failure instead of on success. Too few concentrate on success instead of on failure. This sentence says, many people concentrate on failure. I cannot do. I fail 3 times, 2 times, 4 times. Always they focus their failure. But successful people always they focus on success. How much they may fail in their career, but still they focus their success, their achievement. They never say, oh, I failed 3 times, 4 times. They never say, but they always focus on success. Because of the reason they achieve. Only this, up to this, I want to share with you, friends. Thank you so much for everyone for watching this video.